This one I wrote in January. It was kind of the depths of the pandemic, and I was feeling a little hopeless. And I kind of just turned it over and said, you know, I really need some help right now. I can't do this all by myself. And the first line of this song came to me. The chorus of it is, I was wandering around the house one day, and I turned to my wife and I said, I have no idea why I came into this room. And she said, no, of course you don't. You have pan dementia. So you can't say that kind of thing to a songwriter. This one's called Pan Dementia.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm so damn tired of my own company. I'm tired of my routine, cooking and watching TV. It feels like house arrest or some kind of endless test. It's been a year of fear and no vacations for me. I got to know my neighbors and I've written a bunch of new songs. I learned how to bake bread, play chess, and online mahjong. But I never leave home, spending most of my time alone. I've had a lot of fear and no parties all year long. My memory is going, my waistline is growing, my tattered edges are showing. Pan dementia has got me, and I don't know what day it is. I swear, when this is over, I'm gonna play music with my friends every day.
Gonna play music every day.
I hope I'll be there when this is over. But from here that seems a long ways away. Well, the news is better and they say the end's in sight, and the vaccine's here and they say we're gonna be alright. But that feels far away when I don't know what's gonna get me through this day, except dreaming of my friends and how we're gonna talk all night. My memory is going, my waistline is growing, my tattered edges are showing. Pan dementia has got me, and I don't know what day it is. Thank you.